most beautiful and functional living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of cozy evenings under the stars, gathering with loved ones, or simply enjoying the warmth and ambience of a crackling fire right in your own backyard? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of outdoor patio fireplace designs, showing you how these incredible features can transform your outdoor space into a true sanctuary. So, what exactly is an outdoor patio fireplace? Simply put, it's a permanent or semi-permanent structure designed to provide warmth and a focal point in your outdoor living area. Unlike a simple fire pit, a fireplace typically features a chimney to vent smoke, offering a more contained and often more architectural element to your patio or deck. They can range from grand, built-in stone structures to more compact, modern units, but their core purpose remains the same: to create an inviting and functional outdoor gathering spot. Why are outdoor patio fireplaces so important for your home? Beyond the obvious warmth they provide, especially on cooler evenings, they offer a multitude of benefits. They extend your usable living space, allowing you to enjoy your patio or deck for more months out of the year. They create a powerful focal point, drawing the eye and anchoring your outdoor furniture arrangement. Moreover, they significantly enhance the ambience, adding a sophisticated and luxurious feel, increasing your property value, and providing a perfect setting for entertaining, relaxing, and making lasting memories with family and friends. It's more than just heat, it's about creating an experience. To truly complete your outdoor fireplace setup, consider these complementary items. First, comfortable seating. Plush outdoor sofas, armchairs, and even built-in benches with ample cushions are essential for maximum comfort. Second, outdoor rugs. Define the space and add a touch of warmth and texture underfoot. Third, throw blankets and pillows for extra coziness and a pop of color. Fourth, strategic lighting. String lights, pathway lights, and accent lighting can create a magical atmosphere. Fifth, side tables and coffee tables. Convenient spots for drinks, snacks, and decor. Sixth, outdoor kitchen or bar. If space allows, an integrated outdoor kitchen or bar elevates your entertaining game. Seventh, landscaping. Thoughtful planting around the patio adds privacy, beauty, and integrates the fireplace seamlessly into its surroundings. Now, let's talk about making your outdoor fireplace truly shine. Here are some tips for decorating your outdoor fireplace to look beautiful. First, material matters. Choose materials that complement your home's existing architecture and your desired aesthetic. Stone, brick, concrete, and even corten steel all offer distinct looks. Second, scale and proportion. Ensure the fireplace is appropriately sized for your patio. A massive fireplace on a small patio can feel overwhelming, while a tiny one can get lost in a large space. Third, integrate storage. Consider built-in niches for firewood storage, as seen in some of our examples. It's practical and adds a rustic charm. Fourth, mantelpiece decor. Even outdoors, a mantelpiece offers a perfect spot for decorative items like lanterns, potted plants, or weather-resistant artwork. Fifth, lighting integration. Uplighting, recessed lighting, or even small string lights can highlight the fireplace's texture and form, especially at night. Sixth, surrounding landscape. Soften hard edges with lush plantings, flower beds, or even a small water feature to create a tranquil environment. Seventh, personal touches. Add elements that reflect your style, whether it's specific colors in your cushions or unique decorative objects. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor patio fireplace design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Grand pergola with dual fireplace and pizza oven. This design truly redefines outdoor luxury. We see a magnificent wooden pergola providing shade and structure over a spacious stone patio. The showstopper here is the dual-sided stone fireplace, offering warmth and ambience to different seating areas. What's even better is the integrated pizza oven, perfect for entertaining and creating delicious meals outdoors. The flat flagstone patio, lush surrounding greenery, and subtle landscape lighting complete this sophisticated and highly functional space. The large TV mounted on a pillar adds to the entertainment value. 2. Circular fire pit with built-in stone seating. This charming and inviting space features a circular stone fire pit as its central focus. It's perfectly complemented by a curved, built-in stone bench, offering ample seating for guests. Adirondack chairs provide additional comfortable spots. The varied paving stones create a beautiful pattern on the patio, while the surrounding natural landscape with mature trees and a wooden fence adds to the secluded and serene atmosphere. This design is all about creating a cozy, intimate gathering space. 3. Covered patio with long linear fire pit. Here we have a stunning covered patio extension from a beautiful brick home, offering protection from the elements. The focal point is a long, linear gas fire pit set within a stone-clad structure, providing a modern and elegant touch. Comfortable outdoor sofa seating faces the fire, while a dining area is set off to the side. Recessed lighting and ceiling fans ensure comfort day and night, making this an ideal space for both relaxation and entertaining. 4. Modern minimalist fire feature. For those who love contemporary design, this minimalist outdoor space is a dream. A striking linear gas fire feature is integrated into a sleek concrete and corten steel wall, creating a bold, artistic statement. The simple, clean lines of the concrete patio and modern white furniture maintain a sophisticated and uncluttered aesthetic. Lush, architectural plantings add softness and texture, making this a perfect spot for quiet contemplation or stylish gatherings. 5. Elevated deck with integrated fireplace and outdoor kitchen. This elevated deck provides a fantastic vantage point for enjoying the backyard. It features a fantastic covered area with a tall, stacked stone fireplace and an integrated TV, perfect for game nights or movies outdoors. Adjacent to the fireplace is a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with a grill and stainless steel appliances, making outdoor cooking a breeze. The wooden deck flooring and white structural elements give this space a bright and airy feel, combining comfort with utility. 6. Multi-level patio with fireplace and accent lighting. This expansive, multi-level patio design is a masterpiece of outdoor living. The lower level features a grand outdoor fireplace with a spacious lounge area. What truly stands out is the meticulous lighting design, string lights overhead, pathway lighting on the steps, and accent lighting on the retaining walls, creating a magical glow at dusk. An outdoor kitchen area is seamlessly integrated, and the combination of paved areas with lush green lawns offers dynamic visual appeal. 7. Rustic gazebo with stone fireplace and bar. Nestled under mature trees, this charming rustic gazebo creates a true outdoor room. The centerpiece is a magnificent stone fireplace, complete with a mounted TV above. A substantial outdoor bar area with high seating makes this an entertainer's delight. The wooden structure of the gazebo, combined with the natural stone and surrounding greenery, evokes a sense of being in a luxurious natural retreat. The mixture of flagstone and paved patio areas adds character. 8. Classic brick fireplace with integrated wood storage. This traditional brick fireplace adds a timeless charm to the patio. Its classic design is enhanced by thoughtful details, including built-in nooks for firewood storage on either side, which are both practical and visually appealing. The contrasting gray stone caps on the fireplace and low walls provide a sophisticated touch. This design demonstrates how even a more traditional fireplace can be beautifully integrated into a cozy outdoor seating area. 9. Curved sectional with round fire pit. This inviting patio emphasizes comfort and conversation. A large, curved dark wicker sectional sofa with plush blue cushions is arranged around a round, stone-clad fire pit with dazzling fire glass. The arrangement promotes intimate gatherings, allowing everyone to enjoy the warmth and glow of the fire. The clean lines of the large format patio pavers and the warm brick of the house provide a solid foundation for this stylish and cozy outdoor lounge. 10. Modern fire bowl on wooden deck. This sleek and contemporary outdoor space features a striking, modern fire bowl as its focal point, set on a beautifully laid wooden deck. The low-profile design of the fire bowl, filled with fire glass, creates a captivating display of flames. Minimalist built-in benches with comfortable cushions define the seating area, while a reflective water feature and lush tropical plants add to the tranquil and luxurious ambience, especially enchanting at night. And there you have it, 10 incredible outdoor patio fireplace designs that showcase the endless possibilities for transforming your backyard. From grand, multifunctional spaces to intimate, minimalist retreats, an outdoor fireplace is more than just a heating element, it's an investment in comfort, style, and memorable experiences. We hope these ideas have sparked your imagination and given you plenty of inspiration for your own outdoor oasis. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more amazing home decor ideas and inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.